I will start with the chapter with industries. So, before we start, I will give you a short example or introduction what is industries and how it helps to create the work sector and how it helps to create to increase the GDP rate in our country. So, there are mainly 5 economic sectors. Okay, 5 economic sectors in our country, not in our country, all over the world. So, first one is the primary sector where we derive the resources or the raw materials from the nature. And example of this kind of sectors is the mining or agricultural based industries or the fishing industry or sugarcane industries also. And second one is the secondary activity or secondary economic sector. What is that? Where the mainly in secondary sector the natural resources are mainly changed in shape. I mean it helps to create a new thing. Okay, this is called the secondary sector of economic activity. And what do you mean about the tertiary sector of economy? Tertiary sector of economy is mainly associated with the industrial sector, which helps to create a job sector. Also helps to create, it also helps to increase the GDP rate. We know that India is a third world country, so the GDP rate is going down, not increase. So it helps to increase the GDP rate. So I just draw a rough graph. Like this one is the y-axis, this one is the x-axis, right? So if I consider this one, like assume that y-axis is considered as a year, okay, and the x-axis is considered as a year and y-axis is considered as a GDP rate. I mean 1%, 2% or 3%, whatever, and it's infinity. I mean increase. So if I draw a rough map, this line is indicate the GDP rate. Okay, this line, this black line is considered as a GDP rate. So if you look about the statistical data and all, so you show that this line is always going to increase, not going to decrease. But due to COVID, we know about the economic condition is gets out of hand. That's different. But generally, this line is going to increase, not going to decrease. Okay. So this is all about the industry. What is industries and all. So next comes the importance. What is the importance of the industry? Before the starting, I will tell you that industrial sector is mainly associated with the tertiary sector. So tertiary sector helps to create the job sectors also. So we know that India is a third world country. Unemployment is the biggest threat in our country. So it helps to reduce the unemployment rate and also helps to increase the job sectors also. And next comes, what are the types of industry? What are the types of industry? There are generally 3 types. First one is based on the size. Based on the size means the size of the industry. The size of the industry is mainly divided into 2 parts. Large scale of industry and other one is the small scale of industry. So what is large scale of industry? Large scale of industry means where the capital accumulation is very high. I mean the trustee board and the policies are mainly included in the large scale of industries, right? And the ownership, Ambani and Tata is the example of the large scale of industry. I think clear. Other one is the small scale of industry. What do you mean about the small scale of industry? Like I mean if you want, I will start a startup business, right? Like shadi business, whatever I want, I will start a startup business. So this kind of industry is a small scale of industry. Okay, so where the capital accumulation is not so high but not also low, is the intermediate portion. Okay, so first one is the based on the size. Next one, ownership. Ownership means who is the owner of the particular industry. So it is also divided into 2 parts. The first one is the public ownership and next one is the private ownership and second one is the government ownership. So the private ownership means I am the owner of the particular business. This is known as the private ownership. And what do you mean about the government ownership? Government ownership means where the government policies are adapted for the increasing of the particular industry. Okay. Third one is the product. So it also divided into two parts, like consumer good products and the commercial products. Okay, this is the major types of industries generally. And next comes, what are the locational factors of industry? It is very important. First one is the raw materials. Without raw materials, there is no industry is going to run. It's stop. Okay, so raw materials is very necessary for the run of any kind of industry. Next one is the market. Market, you know all about that. If I purchase something goods or anything, if I want to purchase a cloth also, so I have to go the market. So where the industries produce the goods, they have to sell in a particular area. So this area is known as the market. So without market, there is no there is no cost which are going to help to increase the GDP rate and also increase the basic income or anything. So it's not happening. So market is also very important for the industries. Third one is the power. Without electrical power, there is no going to increase any kind of industry. So power is very necessary. Fourth one is the labor. Cheap labor or efficient labor, both are important for the industries for running. Because cheap labor, the remuneration or the wages of the labor is low, but if you consider the efficient labor, the wages of the particular labor, particular of that person is high, going to high. Okay, next term is capital. Capital rate is very important. Capital accumulation, which are given from our trustee board or the government, whatever. And third, fourth, sixth one is the governmental policy. What is policy? Policy means there is something policy